This is the introductory video on how to turn on the sound system. So if the computer is ready to go, what will need to happen is the sound system needs to be turned on by using the switch. Then we take a look at the receiver and make sure that the selector is on auxiliary. Make sure that the volume is not too loud. Make sure that both the main speaker and the remote are pressed in. And you can adjust the levels as needed. That should give us, the last thing we need to check is that this cord, which is the auxiliary cable, is plugged in right here. It's possible that we can unplug those and use the jack somewhere else, but this female side is plugged into the computer. So once those are plugged in, it should be ready to go. So we can check right now by hitting play. Welcome to my classroom. Let me show you around. As you walked in, you probably noticed a lot of items along the wall here. So the sound works. Don't worry about those. They will be gone soon. However, if you walked in and turned to the left, you will have seen the TV screen is not on. So what needs to happen is point the remote at the TV. We'll turn that on. It shows up. So the TV screen is on. The sound is working. The next thing that needs to happen is we have to take the video that we want, click and drag the entire window to the next screen over, and then make that maximized and full screen. Once that is maximized and full screen, the video is also up on the front screen. So whatever is on this computer screen is also on the TV screen. And now we should be able to play and watch the video. This, the bathroom sign-out sheet. There we go. Emergency evacuation procedures. Don't worry about these binders.